And while, of course, the Union Home Minister was in Poonch, Mr. Rajnath Singh, the Union Defence Minister, was aboard INS Vikrant. He lauded our naval warriors. He said INS Vikrant is the pride of our maritime power. He's, of course, talking about our aircraft carrier. He's also said that we are proud of our naval warriors. Indian Navy has broken the morale of the enemy and the fact that Pakistan was stunned by our Navy's preparedness. Those are the words of the Raksha Mantri. Let's listen into what he said as well to our sailors aboard INS Vikrant.
1971 इसका गवाह है कि जब इंडियन नेवी हरकत में आई थी वह 1 से 2 हो गया था। मैं पाकिस्तान की बात कर रहा हूं। जब हमारी इंडियन नेवी हरकत में आई थी तो पाकिस्तान 1 से 2 हो गया था। अगर ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में भारतीय नौसेना अपनी फॉर्म में आई होती तो पाकिस्तान के 2 टुकड़े ही न होते बल्कि मैं समझता हूं शायद 4 टुकड़े हो जाते।
Well, strong words there by the Union Defence Minister, of course, talking about the fact that Pakistan was split into 2 during the war of 1971 when the new country of Bangladesh was created thanks to Indian intervention in what was previously East Pakistan. And he also said that had the Navy had its way this time during Operation Sindoor, it would not have been confined to Pakistan being split into 2 pieces, but many more, is what Mr. Rajnath Singh appeared to be saying there on board INS Vikrant. So the Prime Minister, of course, was in Bihar. The Union Home Minister was in Poonch. Mr. Rajnath Singh aboard INS Vikrant. Another point that the Raksha Mantri made was the fact that terror and talks cannot go hand in hand. He also said that the next time India and Pakistan do talk, it will primarily be about Pakistan-occupied Kashmir and its return to India. Those are the words said by the Defence Minister aboard INS Vikrant, as you can see on the right of your screens.